I'm your Satya Mishra. So today I'm here with the very good news to you everyone who was waiting for SSC department examination special current affairs series in English language, fully English language. So we are MAB classes and we are here with our extreme level of advanced studies content with smartness level of questions which will give you help in your examination, best level of with current affairs series. So let's start right now. In your MAB classes official platform at 7 a.m. day first series of current affair, day first series of current affair I have taken at 7 a.m. in the morning time. So you every who is the aspirant of SSC special, who is the aspirant of SSC department only, those can candidate visit MAB classes YouTube channel. On YouTube, go search icon, type, if you are a new members, then type MAB classes and you can visit the first lecture on current affair day first series at 7 a.m. in the morning of 20 June 2024. Their side I have taken a large level of very most important questions which can give you the lot of your SSC examination. So you can go visit for current affairs special series at 7 a.m. in the morning every day, regular series on MAB classes official platform. This channel on Satya Mishra official platform, you will get your doubt, you will get solution of your doubt, you will get the best result and feedback of your doubts and everything. So here few tips have in the last their lecture MAB classes which today's session taken have day first session of 20 June. Today is not 20 June, I know. I have taken the series of last day of current affair. So on 20 June of 2024 at 7 a.m. series of current affair day first series, their side one question have which country of Asia, sorry Europe, yes Europe have, and their side one country have, those country became third became say when can say taken third place. Okay, in the Europe one country have which country taken the third place. Okay, in third place taking for the same sex marriage. Okay, same sex marriage. This country given allowance means those allow, not here can say only this country allowed for the same sex marriage and taken the third place. Got my point? Which country have? So answer will be Thailand. I have explained. Okay, I have explained on MAB classes day first series. Thailand is the country which became third country to making the same sex marriage and given the well allowed. Okay, that can say the third Thailand allowed the same sex marriage and taken the third place. So answer will another topic will become which country taking the first place and which country taking the second place if third place taken by Thailand. Yes or no? Questions can come or not. So first number, first place, first allowed who, second who allowed for the same sex marriage, and third already we got to understand Thailand have. Yes or no? So you everyone tell me which is the first country who became the first place to giving the same sex marriage allowed, and second who's. Tell fast. One I will tell, one you will tell, and one I told you at the third place Thailand. You everyone make comment who watched the video on MAB classes current affairs series. So third is Thailand, second I am telling you Nepal. Now first tell fast, make comment fast. Taiwan. Okay, very good. Taiwan is the first country who firstly allowed for the same sex marriage, and second country became Nepal. So third country became Thailand. Thailand is a European country and became the third country who allowed for the same sex marriage. Got my point? Doubt clear have? This question I taught in the MAB classes series. Their side you can go visit. Okay, you everyone note down fast. Very good. Clear? Okay. Now, one more question have. There are a lot of questions I taught their side. You can go visit only few questions I am explaining here, because this is a just only doubt session series. Doubt session channel have. Second question what asking, guys, listen, understand very properly. Rank of India in environment performance. Got my point or not? Okay, question asking rank of India in environment performance of 2024. 24 full right, even you will confuse. Very most important question for SSC aspirant. Rank of India in environment. Okay, rank of India in environment performance of 2024. So the rank of India came. Everyone make comment who was video on MAB classes official platform. If you not was, so please I'm requesting you go as a type of similar question, very much questions, very brief way I explained their side. Here just lightly way I'm explaining you to making your doubt clear. Okay, so the rank of India is 176th. Yes or no? 176th rank India taken in 2024 of environment performance. Got my point or not? Any problem? Okay, good. So here will question come, which country taken third number have? Yes, third question. last rank taken by which country? Last rank taken by which country in environment performance? EP, right guys? Okay, EP. Last rank taken by which country in EP? This question also most important question have that can ask in the environment performance, the last rank taken by which country? So answer will be our very good name of those countries, Vietnam. Got my point or not? Vietnam is the country who taking the last rank. And now one more question can ask, what is the rank? Question can ask, fourth question have. Okay, what is the rank? What is the rank of Vietnam in EP 2024? Got my point or not? What is the rank of Vietnam in 2024 of EP? EP means environment performance. Rank is 245th. What rank have? 245th rank have. Got my point? 245th is the last rank have. One more question can ask. Last rank in EP 2024. Getting my point? The last rank in environment performance in 2024, then right answer will be 245th. Got my point? Any problem? So this is the question. If you will try to understand the last rank in the environment performance taken by Vietnam, which is the last have 245th. What is the rank of India in the environment performance? So answer is 176th. Got my point? One more most important question. Which country, this you will tell, which country taken the first rank? Which country taken the first rank in EP 2024? You everyone make comment. Which country taking the first rank in EP 2024? Fast make comment. I am checking you all comment because I taught already in the last series. Okay, which country taken? Fast comment. Oh, not Any comment not coming? Okay, Estonia. Estonia. Which country? Estonia. Estonia is the country who taking the first rank in the environment performance. Then you will ask, sir, please tell me second rank. Yes, I will tell you second rank. So I am giving as per I given in my that one platform on maybe classes. So here I am also giving you top 5 ranks. Okay, last rank also told, India's rank also told, one time revision giving you. India's rank in the environment performance is 176. Last rank taken 245 by Vietnam. Okay, first rank taken by Estonia. Okay, write fast with me. Rank first. EP 2024. You all understand EP full form is environment performance. Here writing environment, right? Okay, environment performance. Any problem? Environment performance. Okay, got 2024 rank first taking by which country taking? So Estonia. Just right now looking and forget. Estonia taking first rank. Got my point? Here A right, even confusion. B number. Second rank taken by rank second. Rank top 5 telling third. Rank, you all comment because in the last in those official platform I taught everything. Top 5. Rank 5th. EP 2024 environment performance. Okay, now start fast. Second rank comment give. Third rank comment. Fast. Which country taken second rank, third rank? All tell fast. Fast comment. I'm waiting for you all. Estonia. Fast tell. Estonia. Luxembourg second rank. Luxembourg. Germany third rank. Oh, Germany written. Germany third rank. And fourth rank by, tell fast. Finland. Yes, Finland. Yes, fourth rank by Finland. And fifth rank then taken by UK. Uttarakhand not beta. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Got my point? Okay. Now understand one more time. I'm revision giving you. The first rank in the environment performance taken in 2024 Estonia. Second rank taken in the environment performance Luxembourg. And third rank taken Germany. And fourth rank taken Finland. Fifth rank taken in the environment performance 2024 is United Kingdom. Doubt clear hai? Okay. India's rank already told. One more time revision giving you. India's rank in EP 176th. Last rank beta taken by Finland. Oh, what name have? Vietnam. Any problem beta? Vietnam. Got my point? India's rank 176th. Last rank taken by Vietnam in the environment performance 2024. First rank by Estonia. Second rank by Luxembourg. Third rank by Germany. Fourth rank by Finland. Fifth rank by United Kingdom. Got my point? Clear? Any problem? Hope you don't have any problem. Take a screenshot to write this all. Got? Okay, now next. Important series discuss here, okay? This question was third, fourth question have, yes, fourth have, fifth question, any have, no matter. Okay, yes, one series have Nalanda University series, one new campus. When Nalanda University, when Nalanda University campus, new campus beta, new campus, oh my god, new campus inaugurates, any problem? Very important question have. When Nalanda University new campus inaugurates, so answer will be beta here 19 June 2024. That means 19 June 2024 is the day when Nalanda University new campus inaugurates. Got my point? Now next question. Who inaugurates new campus of Nalanda University beta, Nalanda University. Okay, question is who inaugurates new campus of Nalanda University? Then answer will be our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, so here direct answer give PM Modi. Mind topic both clear have or not beta? Very important question have. Seventh number question. Where inaugurates new campus, where inaugurates new campus of Nalanda University beta, Nalanda University. Got my point? Okay, here everywhere question mark use a big. Okay, where inaugurates new campus of Nalanda University beta? So Bihar. Where beta? Bihar. Very most important question have, very much most important question have. You everyone take screenshot of this question. Fast. Next question. Fast completed, complete. Okay, another question. Today series, this is the out session series have. Current affairs session series also going, what out session series have. One company have CERI, one company have MasterCard India, MasterCard India beta. Got my point? CERI and MasterCard India, there are two companies have. These two companies together boosting MOU, okay, MOU, cyber security financial sector of India, cyber security financial sector, boost MOU, financial cyber security sector, cyber security sector beta. Got my point? Okay, boosting MOU financial cyber security sector. So who boosting the financial cyber security sector of India? So CERI and MasterCard India, these both companies are boosting financial cyber security sector of India. Got my point? Clear have? Any problem? Hope any problem not have. Okay, one full form have. Erase. Okay, here telling. SCD beta. What is SCD? SCD is sickle cell disease beta. What full form have? Sickle cell disease beta. Sickle cell disease beta. Got my point? Sickle cell disease full form है बेटा SCD sickle cell disease. Sickle cell disease celebrated on 19th June बेटा 19th June. Launched by बेटा launched by our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So PM Modi. Mind clear बेटा? SCD sickle cell diseases launched by PM Modi on 19th June. This target what have beta? Target what have? Target what have? Target to finish. Oh my God. 1 second, wait beta. Yes, right have. Target to finish till 2047 beta. Till 2047. Target to finish SCD. Here right beta SCD sickle cell disease till 2047. Till 2047 target may can have by PM Modi, which launched have those target may can have SCD. These under 2047 we will finish SCD sickle cell disease. Got my point clear have? So today day first series of current affair. Day first current affair series full doubt session clear have. Doubt session clear. Okay, hope you don't have any doubt now. Your all doubts are clear because we are only working here for the best response. So this thumbnail I will give of this video 20 June 2024 current affair doubt session series with Satya Mishra by that co-founding by the best performance. If you here not understand, go on that channel maybe classes their side, watch video, come here to make your doubt clear. Got my point? So thank you so much to watching the doubt session. I'm your Satya Mishra with the day first series of current affair to making your doubts clear on this official platform Satya Mishra YouTube channel. So thank you so much and Jai Hind.